Hi! Welcome back to Happy Babby. I am going to review the Radio Flyer Creativity car toy in this video that my baby received on her first birthday, which is perfect for her age since the car is recommended for ages 1 to 3 years old. This particular toy costs $41 on Amazon, but the other one that comes in a red color is only $35. This car toy functions as a ride-on and push walker. Babies have to use their legs and feet to propel themselves forward. The back handle pulls up to help babies balance as they try to walk. The handle also helps babies to get on and sit on the car. When my baby received this car, she was starting to walk but needed to hold on to something to stay upright. This car was a great help. She loves to pull herself up on it and walk while pushing the toy or drag the toy towards her. It also rolls on hard floor very easily. You might want to assist your baby at first when they're trying to pull up. The first time she tried to push the car, I was worried about it tilting, but I haven't actually seen the car tilt or tip since on the back of the car on the underside, there's a plastic piece which is specifically designed to keep it from tipping when babies put their weight on the back handle to use as a walker. And this made me feel relieved that my baby is and will be safe whenever she plays with the car. Besides using the toy for walking and riding, it has many features for interactive play that varies in difficulty. The dashboard has a clicking key that baby can spin and a gear shifter that can be pushed up and down. The interlocking gears, sliding beads, folding mirrors, and flipping windshield wipers are the easiest to play with. But opening the gas tank is a hard one for baby, especially turning the big spare dial either clockwise or counterclockwise. I think having all these varying difficulties is good to keep babies engaged over time. The steering wheel turns but does not steer the car. One of the nice features of this toy is the horn that makes sound when pressed. It's not a very loud and annoying noise. She likes the sound of the horn and honks it whenever she plays with it.
Come ride the car.
One feature that Babby particularly loves is the underseat storage. She loves to open and close it to stash her toys and take them out to play. When she first used this car toy, we were mostly pushing her forward and backward. She couldn't ride on nor get off the car by herself. We had to put her on the car and take her out of it. The most she could do was bounce while sitting on the car, causing her to move sideways. It was after a week of playing with the car that she was able to ride the car backwards by herself, and she also learned to move the car forward a week after, although it was only for a short distance. In less than a month's time, she became very good at riding the car forward and backward all by herself. Around this time, she also learned how to get on the car. Once she got the hang of it, it seems she has gained confidence to get off the car by herself and without her right foot getting caught in the back handle. Both my baby and I like this car toy so much, and it keeps Babby entertained and occupied for a long time. She has been playing with this toy frequently since it was gifted to her more than a month ago, and it has become a family favorite toy. That's it for now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up or comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more toy reviews and DIY activities to make a happy Babby. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye!